These lipsticks are very creamy. They're very comfortable. And so far, these nudes, for some reason, I don't have to wear lip liners to actually look good on me. It's so cute. It has wasabi on top, so it's spicy tuna roll. I honestly think that this red is so beautiful. This is a true red. The formula for this one is more matte than the other lipsticks. I think this one and then shrimp fried rice is more matte than the other colors that I already showed. It's beautiful. This formula is really good. It's so creamy. I cannot stop applying it.
get lost. It's the only thing I wanna do. I wanna forget where I came from, where there's no getting over you. I am fine by myself, 'cause I won't be here alone. No, no. You don't know what you got. You don't know until it's gone. You don't know what I am worth. Your words are like bullets now. Sometimes they hurt. I stay high when bullets fly. Out of reach, won't be coming down. I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till it ends. You got a chip on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend that we are alright. I won't spend the night. I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till this ends. You got a chip on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend that we are alright. I won't spend the night.
This is my absolutely favorite from the 12 colors. This one is cheese pizza. Wow. The color red is perfect. The formula is superb. I love this shade so much. It's not too creamy. It's not too matte. I love how it looks on me. And it's just that perfect red shade that goes with any look. I'm so happy to swatch these lipsticks. This company is GORJUE and they're indie brand. Also, they're Filipino, like me. So I saw these lipsticks and I thought they were so cute. I reached out to their owner and CEO, Maisa. Thank you so much for sending these lipsticks. And I'm so happy that I found this indie brand. I like supporting indie brands, smaller business to support. They're from New York, I'm from New York. So my favorite is this color, which is cheese pizza. My next favorite is tuna spicy roll or spicy tuna roll. And then my third favorite is Salmon Nigiri. All the colors are very pretty and wearable. These are their first and second collection. And she told me that they're going to launch new collections. So watch out for that. Check them out. GORJUE. I will link everything down below in the description box. This video is not sponsored. I just love their lipsticks and I love the idea of just having fun with lipsticks. Overall, I am very impressed with these lipsticks. You guys have to try this. At least get this one. Honestly, I couldn't compare this with luxury lipsticks like Dior, Louboutin, that kind of red. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!